In this demo, we have this bowling ball that's connected by this cable to the ceiling, and it's a good illustration of the conservation of energy. So when the bowling ball is pulled up like this, it has potential energy, and when I let go, at some point it's going to convert all of that potential energy to kinetic energy. It's going to go to the other side, regain potential energy, and back and forth. So it's going to swing like a pendulum. So why I have this near my face is because to illustrate that it cannot acquire energy along the way. So the energy that it starts with is the maximum energy it has. So if we ignore air resistance, we will assume that the energy is constant, then that energy that it started with, the potential energy, should be what it has as it swings through and comes back. So when it comes back, it should climb up to a point only as far as I started. It shouldn't go further up. So it shouldn't hit my face. So let's try to do this. I'm going to bring it close to my face and let go, and let's see what happens. So as you notice, the ball doesn't hit my face as long as I don't give it a push. That's why I'm holding the ball like this, so that I am trying to make sure that it only has potential energy. It doesn't have an initial kick to start with. So I can see what happens if I did give it a little bit of a push, then it would hit my face. So let's try that. I'm going to give it a little bit of a push. Now, in addition to the potential energy, it's going to have a little bit of kinetic energy to start too. So let's see what happens then. So as you notice, it comes further back, and it would have hit my face if I was still standing there. So in addition to the potential energy it had, I gave it a little bit of kinetic energy, so when it comes back, it's going to go further up because the energy that it started with has to be the energy that it ends up with. So it ends up with a little bit more potential energy because they started off with a little bit of extra kinetic energy. So this demonstration is a good example of the conservation of energy.